I like to think of the people who voted for me. Without you, I wouldn't be nothing. I need some help here.
Here from that side.
Right here. I already poured for you.
Okay, thank you. My fingers.
You can't look.
You have somebody like to. My fingers are hurting already. Right. Here you go. Thank you, Mama.
I'm from Lexi, Terry, and Ben.
A purse. Oh, it's a purse.
A beautiful purse.
Oh my gosh. I knew it was a purse as I saw the string. Look, this is gorgeous.
Wow. That's fancy.
This is nice.
Now looks like you have money.
I never had anything like this. Thank you. Thank you.
Ow, you bit my hair.
No, I don't look like a mother. I look like a sister. Thank you. Thank you very much.